side. So dear friends, so the answer is no and never. But Islam is the only one religion which enlightened the whole world about moderation at the time when the entire globe was unfamiliar with equality and justice. The final heavenly book of Allah Almighty proclaims moderation plainly and assertively in Surah number 2, ayah number 143. وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا لِتَكُونُوا شُهَدَاءَ عَلَى النَّاسِ وَيَكُونَ الرَّسُولُ عَلَيْكُمْ شَهِيدًا. And thus we have made your moderate community that you will be witnesses over the people and the messenger will be witness over you. Allah the Exalted in His power and glory not only refers Islam as moderate religion, but He introduces the adherents of Islam to the world community as moderate nation and regard them witnesses over the nations as well. Dear brethren, I tremendously wonder that how the people who never happened to browse through the pages of the